How do you upgrade your LEGO Fortnite village? Well, it's actually super simple. All you need to do is, obviously, once you've placed down your village square, interact with it, and at the very top, you'll find an Upgrade Village tab. Here, you'll see that you need to increase your village rating by adding value to your village, which is essentially building, placing beds, chests, villages, etc. Eventually, just by existing in the area and building things, you'll have this completed. As for collecting wood and granite, it's simple as craft yourself an axe or a forest axe, and with this, you can very easily chop down medium to small sized trees, logs, etc. to collect yourself a ton of wood. On top of this, craft yourself a pickaxe either at the crafting table or by getting rid of skeletons that drop this pretty often, break any kind of rock such as this one here, and eventually you'll definitely have more than enough granite and wood. Once you've collected all of the resources that you need, being 15 wood and 15 granite, head back to the village square, interact with it, head to the upgrade tab and click Upgrade Village. When you've done so, you've now unlocked 10 new build recipes and of course, forages for hire. With this, we can ask villagers to forage nearby resources, refine wood, and refine stone. Pretty useful. If we speak to our leader, they ask us to build more furniture for our villagers to lounge on. So, heading to the Builds tab, you'll find a roomy shack, porch shack, and log shed. On the building parts, you'll have new foundations, being granite, rustic wide floor, as well as a few different new kinds of walls and doors, and a few more kinds of roof. Pretty cool. On top of this, we've also unlocked furniture like tables, chairs, and benches, as well as lighting. Pretty good. Anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.